Hello everybody, today's Friday. Do you know something interesting? We've been doing home online school for 10 days. Today is the 10th day. We did Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. We didn't come to school on Saturday, well spotted. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and today is the 10th day. Let's count those days. 1 on your chin, 2 on your chin, 3 on your chin, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. This is the 10th school day that we are doing online. Oh no, this phone's ringing. Mrs. Bray's class, how are you? I knew it would be you, Musikili Mouse, because it's only you who phoned me on this phone. Yes, did you see the paint? Andrew's busy painting the door and the door frame. I've asked him to also paint the pinboard outside on the veranda. Our school's going to look so smart when the children come back. Musikili Mouse, please be careful of the wet paint. I don't want any little mousy footprints all over my classroom, please. Were you here? You were looking through the window just now. Yes, when I was getting ready. But I do want to go. I want to teach the children some more about shapes. Okay, see you later, alligator. When I'm going to lunch, I'll wave to you. In a while, crocodile. Bye-bye. Musikili Mouse is here, but he's not here. He's in his tree. Andrew's busy painting our door. Remember, it was blue, zigzaggy with dirty white paint? Well, he's painting it nice and blue, just like the wall in our classroom. So, let's learn about shapes. I wonder if you remember. I'm going to use my crayon for pointing. This is a triangle. 1, 2, 3 corners, and 1, 2, 3 sides. Let's look at the square. Do you remember the square? 1, 2, 3, 4 corners, and 1, 2, 3, 4 the same. Here's the rectangle. The rectangle has got 1, 2, 3, 4 corners, just like the square, but this has got 1, 2 short sides and 1, 2 long sides. Here's a shape that has no corners. Last week, did you see the supermoon? It was called a milk moon. It was the closest that the moon is going to be next to the earth for the rest of this year. It was bright, no corners, just one edge. Now I put the diamond onto this page so it's easier to see. The diamond has 1, 2, 3, 4 corners. Remember, it's not a kite. I showed you last time what a kite looks like. The diamond has 4 sides that are the same, but the difference is 2 corners are big and 2 corners are little. There we go. We haven't sung good morning this morning yet, so let's sing good morning. Good morning, oh what a lovely morning. We'll dance and sing and play all day, this sunny Friday morning. Let's do some counting before we go back to the shapes. Today we're going to count in tens. We've never done this before, because we know that there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So say 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120. Did you believe you could count so many? Let's do it again. And 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120. Now to go back to shapes, in your bags you would have seen that you had 2 worksheets like this. Our children got this one with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and my early years children, you got 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, mums, this is what you can help the children with. You don't have to write anything. I just want the children to do this for me. So they can take any color and they can start with a shape and they say, what is it called? It's called a triangle. And if they know it, Mummy, you can tick it, or children can tick it. How many sides? Count the sides. 1, 2, 3. You can draw 3 little circles, or if you're old enough, you can draw the number. How many, what is this? It's called a circle. It's called a circle. How many sides? How many sides? Just 1. It's got 1 side. How many corners? Does it have corners? No, we forgot to do the corners here. How many corners? 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. You have to leave that empty because it has no corners. Right, mums, you can help the children finish. I don't need to see these. It's just that you can help them to learn to count the numbers. These ones are tricky, grade R's. This is a pentagon. It's got 5 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this is the hexagon. This is the shape that the bee makes his hive, his little honey tunnels. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You do that because later we're going to make some shape pictures and I really want those shapes in your head. Lots of love to all of you. See you later, alligators. In a while, crocodile.